Okay, so as usual, I am going to be using a page from the Dilutions journal, and I need to take a page out. So what you do when you want to do that is you find a page where you can see the sewing in the signature. So right here, I can see the stitching. And so this will give me 2 pages that I can rip out, and it won't interfere with the binding anyplace else. So sometimes I get a good straight cut and sometimes I don't. And that is okay because I can trim these pages. So there you go, see? So that is still intact. It is all good. The next thing I will do is that I will trim this down, because what will happen is when I am done, I will return this to my journal. So I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. So let me find my cutter. So I have my cutter. It's my favorite cutter. I have like 3 or 4 others, but this is the Die Hard. And it's the Fuchsia's. So I am going to take off this raw edge. So this has a lip on top, so you can just put your paper right up to the edge. And so let's see. I am going to take off the corners, but I will be able to add the corners later with my corner rounder. So let's see how this will fit back in the journal. And it is totally fine. You know what? I think I'm going to take a little bit more off on the width. Okay, so I like that better. I wanted it to be even all the way around. So there you go. So we're ready to get started. So I have my craft mat down. And these craft mats are great. Anything you get on them, just scrape right off. So the first thing I want to do is I want to lay in a background. I am going to be using my Dina Wakley paints. I have all the colors. And I will be listing everything down below so that you can see what products I used. So the first thing I want to do, the first thing I need to do is I need to get a brush and I need to get water. So let me go get that.